Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to install a Python environment on your laptop so that you can use it for Python programming language. So let's start. So first of all, in your default browser, you're supposed to type in download Python. And the first link that pops up, you're supposed to click on it. So if I click enter and if I click on the first link, so there'll be a button called download Python 3.12.3. This is basically the Python version. So if I scroll down, there are different Python versions. From 3.8 to 3.13, you're supposed to download the latest one. So if I click on this button, it will ask me where should I store the download file. So I can save it in my download file in my file manager, and I'm supposed to click on the downloaded file. So once I click on the file, this pop-up box will open, and I'm supposed to click on both of these boxes, use admin privileges when installing py.exe and add python.exe to path. So that we do not need to manually add the Python virtual environment to the path. And I will click on customize installation. So leave everything as it is, and we will click on next, and we will click on install Python 3.12 for all users. And whatever file location it is being saved on, just do not mess with it. Let it be its default path, and I will click on install. So as you can see on your screen, the setup is successful, and I will close the pop-up. So that's it for today, guys. I taught you how to install a Python environment on your laptop, and in the next few videos, I'll also teach you how to download various software so that you can comfortably continue your Python learning journey. Thanks a lot, and I will see you in the next video.